Hello everyone, welcome again. Here I am Rocky Chaudhary, Assistant Scoutmaster from Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Today I am with Project Udan, which is initiated by Bharat Scouts and Guides. So my today's challenge is Part B, Health and Well-being. Challenge number 11, COVID-19 Awareness. In this challenge, I will try to demonstrate you all about COVID-19 virus and how to prevent from it. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatments. Older people and with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. So, at this time, there are no specific vaccines or treatments are available for COVID-19. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes and how it spreads. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So, it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette. So, the first step is regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Do you know why? Washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rubs kills viruses that may be on your hands. So, wash your hands regularly and thoroughly. The second part is maintain at least 1 meter, that is 3 feet distance between yourself and others. Do you know why? When someone coughs, sneezes or speaks, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth which may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus if the person has the disease. So maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance. So the third part is avoid going to crowded places. Do you know why? Where people come together in crowds, you are more likely to come into close contact with someone that has COVID-19 and it is more difficult to maintain physical distance of 1 meter or 3 feet. So practice social distancing and avoid going to crowded places. The fourth part is avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Do you know why? Hands touch many surfaces and can pick up virus easily. Once contaminated hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter in your body and infect you. So whenever you are going outside, must wear your masks and gloves properly and avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. The fifth part is make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately and wash your hands. Do you know why? Droplets spreads virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from virus such as cold, flu and COVID-19. The sixth part is stay home and self-isolate, even with minor symptoms such as cough, headache, mild fever until you recover. Have someone bring you supplies. If you need to leave your house, wear a mask to avoid infecting others. Do you know why? Avoiding contact with others will protect them from possible COVID-19 and other virus. The seventh part is if you have a fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention as soon as possible. But call by telephone in advance if possible and follow the direction of your local health authority. Do you know why? National and local authorities will have the most up-to-date information on the situation in your area. Calling in advance will allow your health care provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This will also protect you and help prevent spread of the virus and infect others. And the last and most vital part is don't follow and spread rumors. Keep up to date on the latest information from trusted resources such as World Health Organization or your local and national health authorities. Do you know why? Local and national authorities are best placed to advise on what people in your area should be doing to protect themselves. So, at this time, there are no specific vaccines or treatments for COVID-19 is available. However, there are many ongoing clinical trials evaluating potential treatments. World Health Organization will continue to provide update information as soon as the clinical findings become available. So till that, maintain all the rules and regulation and stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.